So I picked up these shoes because I was looking for a good pair of zero drop wide front 4-foot shoes, and I got it all with this stylish looking shoe. So zero drop. Zero drop means that there's no heel lift in the shoe, and you're kind of into the barefoot or zero drop running or shoe to try to replicate how we naturally walk, and getting away from Western style shoes, which are quite different. These give you the wide 4-foot so that your toes spread out and have a more comfortable, natural feeling when walking. And it actually helps with strengthening out the stiffness in your leg from sitting in chairs, and it just a lot of good things. If you do your research, you know why these are pretty popular and all the rage now. So good construction, nice loop here. Rubber sole is very good on surfaces. You will not be slipping. The fit and feel is like a nice loafer, good material, breathable, nice shoelaces that you don't have to double knot them because they kind of cinch and stick when you tie them up. They're not slippery. And then here's the foot pattern, which is very minimalistic and just enough for everyday use. Great for driving. You could really spread your toes in these. The size is true to fit. I'm a 10.5. I ordered a 10.5, and you have plenty of room, and it's well designed. I used to do like a car racing, autocross, and sports cars, and there's a thing called driving shoes for sports cars. You know, they a little bit thinner, minimalistic. You get a good feel of the pedals when you're driving, and these give me that similar feel when I'm driving. So that brings me back to my hot rodding days and classic styling. You can't go wrong with a nice loafer, and these are a great shoe. Let's take a closer look. You got the nice little pattern up here. You got the midsole pattern and the heel pattern. You got a nice, comfortable insole, removable. So basically, you're gonna feel as the ground like we should be feeling as we walk. Nice, comfortable, big tongue. Like I said, the laces are sturdy enough to cinch. It's got a nice little heel pad up here. Gives you a little bit more comfort around the edge of the heel. You know, even though it's minimalistic, it has quality features like this. And of course, the little loop to help you get that shoe up without reaching or in need of a shoehorn. So yeah, so you could see the difference with the wide front. It takes a little while if you're new to minimalistic shoes to get used to looking at this. Kind of like, I kind of joked when I first started getting into shoes like this, oh, they kind of look like clown shoes. But you know what? The performance and the proper way to have your feet in comfort and avoid a lot of issues down the road is having a wide toe box. And you get used to it, it becomes stylish. And like anything else, we got to do what's good for our feet, be stylish, and that's what these shoes do. So I enjoyed them. I think you will if you're looking for a minimalist shoe. Zero drop and nice wide 4-foot so that your toes could naturally sit and spread and improve your walking and your foot health.